Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 7453, and this is the Racers Off-Road Polybag. Now, I'm a pretty big fan of these little vehicles, so hopefully this one is going to be a cool one. Now, if you like this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because my plan is to do one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I have done one of these videos a day, every day, for the fairly recent past. I think we're creeping up on 6 months now. So if you like this kind of video, there's a bunch more out there, and there's more on the way. So please think about subscribing if you like this kind of thing. If you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also the brick set page for it, where you can find information about the parts and when it was released, etc. Wow, this is actually a pretty simple one. Pretty quick and... Alright, so it's not a super complicated set, but that's okay. Some of those are kind of fun too. So let's pop this thing together and check it out. See what we get. Make sure y'all can see the instructions, okay? Alright. This is based, I'm pretty sure this is one of the older ones. Let's see. Let's see if we have any kind of copyright thing on this. I'm guessing this is like 2009 maybe? 2007. So it's copyright 2007, so probably 2007, 2008, 2009. In that range. So this is an older one of their sets, which, I mean, it kind of has a little bit of that vibe to it, and I'm not saying that's necessarily a bad thing, but it just it feels like one of the older sets. But that being said, I like a lot of the older sets too. So, I got that. This goes on here, like so, and then, so we got a couple of transparent red cheese slopes for the back. A little bit of like color accent kind of thing. And then got this and this in the front. These on top. Alright, this is a kind of an interesting dilemma. These appear to be my extra pieces. I've got a 1x2 tile, a 1x2, these little vent looking things, and this. This is not abnormal for an extra, but it's a little weird to see those as extras. You don't see anywhere where I missed anything, did you? Did I? I don't think I did. Anyway. I like the big wheels. That's kind of cool looking. It's got nifty big wheels on it. It's not a bad little car. Kind of neat. Let's try it out, see how it rolls. Not bad. Kind of respectable. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.